What's poppin', Brother Gang Family? You already know who it is. You already know what it is. It's your boy TB. Welcome back to another edition of Rollin' with TB. You heard me? Alright, y'all. It's 5 o'clock in the morning. We got a call for. I don't know how we only get my stuff, everybody's suitcases and everything in here. But we trying to figure it out right now. Y'all ready? Miami, here we come. Y'all ready to take Miami?
Yes.
So I picked up this Tesla Model 3 down here in Miami. This literally, man, this literally is my dream car. Like my dream car. I've never wanted a car more than a Tesla. Not necessarily the Model 3, it's the cheapest one, but a Tesla. I want the Cybertruck so bad, like a Tesla. Like, look at this mug, man. It's so clean. It's so minimalist. Like everything that you need and want, man, right here. The white seats, the white guts. Like, oh my God, it's the trunk in the front and the trunk in the back. Like this literally is my dream car. A Tesla, man. I'm just so grateful to be able to rent a Tesla. Like, don't get me wrong, like whoever Tesla this is, he done made, you know what I'm saying, a nice little change off of me. But man, it's just a blessing to be able to do this. Like, even to come to Miami, man. Even to be able to come to Miami, take my girl, take her daughter, take her cousin, just come to Miami and kick it for Rolling Loud. Like, it's just a blessing to be able to do that, man. Like, it's like you just sometimes make you feel like all your hard work pays off because you can create memories for others sometimes. You know what I'm saying? Sometimes it necessarily ain't even about you. It's about the type of blessing you can be and the type of help you can be for other people, man. So, hey, basically, we left the crib this morning. We had a layover in Atlanta. We got to Miami. went to the hotel, 3 something now, so I just went and picked up this Tesla Model 3. And next, we about to go eat at Finger Licking and then head over to, back over to the hotel.
Two hours later.
Alright, y'all, so we made it back to the hotel. We just had finger licking a couple hours ago. Then, this is a beautiful view from the hotel, man. Very, very beautiful view. Shout out to this view. Beautiful. I think the kids about to go swimming. And, I'm about to start editing this video a little bit. And then later on, we going to dinner at this place called Barton G. It looked really, really dope. And then I think she's going out with her homegirl that's here. Somebody that's here, clients and somebody that's here. Kids gonna go swimming. Then we gonna shower, go to dinner at Barton G. So I'm gonna see y'all once we get ready to leave. Go to Barton G's. Man, Miami's a vibe. Miami really is a vibe. Rolling.
Later that same evening.
So we at Barton G eating. Well, we're not about to eat yet, but I'm trying to find something good on their menu. What I really wanted is this, the popcorn shrimp. But I know that everybody get this. So I'm trying to find something different or try something different that I haven't tried before. So, I don't know, man. And I hope I don't get copyrighted to this music in the background. But they got a lot of dope stuff on the menu. Just gotta figure out what I want.
Can I get you a new beverage?
Yes. Can I get that virgin drink you told me?
The smoking one with the no alcohol?
Yeah, no alcohol.
Lemonade or strawberry lemonade?
Lemonade.
The regular? You got it.
Yeah.
Something for you, ma'am? The money talks. Got it, ma'am. Ladies? You're okay? Do you need something? You're okay? Off the menu, we have a surf and turf. It's a steak and lobster. You pick a steak. A New York steak or a filet mignon. Paired with a 1 pound lobster tail, asparagus, and mashed potatoes. That's off the menu for $180. And then if you like the bone-in tomahawk ribeye, we have a 40-ouncer. That's good for 2 or 3 people. That's $175, and you'll see it on the menu. Thank you.
Oh no, yeah. Might be stuck with the he said a samurai salmon? I might try that then. Samurai salmon.
I think it's called $1 deal, y'all. It's like a caramel chocolate cake with vanilla ice cream.
You gonna try something new?
I don't really like chocolate. I'm gonna send you here.
You do the money lady?
Wait till it stops. More alcohol in your drink. Wait till it stops smoking.
How was it? Is it strong?
it's not that small. It's frozen. Like the whole thing is empty, but they frozen. Yeah.
So what is it in?
Probably like some juice. Some type of lemonade. See it's yelling away.
Wait till it stops smoking. Chocolate monkey hanging from the glass.
I got the fried fish, something, something, something. She got the bubble bath seafood, something, something. She got the samurai kick me in here, something, something, something. What's this?
I don't know.
The juju pasta. We got all good food, man. Shout out to Barton's. Yes, sir. This fish, I'm not gonna lie. This fish tastes like black people fish. Like a black person cooked it. Real good. Shout out to Barton, man. Next up is dessert. We done, we out, hitting the beach. I'm probably gonna end the vlog off there. So whatever we do next, I'm gonna see y'all. Rolling. No, after dessert, we gonna do something. Rolling.
Here with your hand.
Show me what you look like when you wake up. No filter, no nothing.
Like these and look the fuck good. Give you milk dud teas.
Alright, y'all. This is the end of the vlog. We left Barton's. We came back to the hotel. The kids went swimming. She didn't go with her friend. Why didn't you go with your friend?
I fell asleep.
She fell asleep. She was supposed to go with her friend. So it's the end. And I'm gonna catch y'all on the next vlog. Turn me out, Rolling Gang. Don't turn me down.